This is my new project, backline hardwood floor. I have to remove it. Hi everyone, in this Tuesday I start new project. Here is a house with wood subfloor, and when I remove the old floor, whole subfloor was so dirty, and I took the grinder and removed all debris, paint and mud, all just everything what here was before, because I have to glue down hardwood flooring. If you know, glue not stick sometimes to the dirt and need to clean up whole plywood. When I finish, I found on the middle of the room this problem. Across a living room from the fireplace to the stairs, the second floor was beam, and floor twisted to one side and another side down, and was big hump. So this is really trouble for installation, because if to do leveling, it's not help because need to put a lot self-leveling compound or plywood from the both sides, staircase very close to the basement, hard to fix it. There is only one way: cut the plywood over this beam. We can cut this off, not much. This is 5/8 plywood, but like 3/8 I can cut easy. With grinder it's hard to do it, but if you're using skill saw, just you see, I leave it a little bit, it's out. This juice now easy. When I slide it, I can remove plywood. So I'll show you how to do it. Now it's better, so need to grind it with grinder. During the grinding process you have to put down nails, because when you remove some plywood, nails will be heads will be up, and always use hammer, or if there is some screws, just screw it down, also. Time to time I check in with straight edge if there is some hump left, and you see there is a dark spot from aluminum straight edge left, and it's really easy to see what I have to grind off. You see, now it's within, and everything fine in this spot, but I have to go all the way. You see, with grinder, this spot I have to grind like hour, but with this saw I can take most of imperfection very fast, like 5-10 minutes, and then little bit grinding, make it smooth, and it is what it is. So I hope you can use it too. Now I have to go all the way. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate, ask me. I always answer you. See you on next video. Here's what I finished already. So install shoe bases everywhere. Fireplace. And tiles already put silicone. And this runway. Here is the transition flat, and I grind in a lot, you see, because hump. So what I can made